We have a chicken breast tender. Look, good and lovely. These are my ingredients. We have ginger powder, cayenne, basil dried herbs, and ground black pepper, and the chicken tender. We need to first dry up with kitchen towel before wash them with water. After that, it's time to do the marination process. Look guys, it's nice. So we put all the ingredients together and combine or mix well so that ingredients will absorb and makes good the taste. Wow, good smell, and add some salt or pinch of salt to taste. So ready marinating for about 30 minutes or 1 hour. Next is step preparing the mixture batter for dipping the chicken tender. Pour on a bowl, add water and some ice cubes, and stir it until no more lumpy and must be very smooth the mixture. This is now the marinated chicken tender. Let's get started to dipping first into the butter mixture and try and fry them all and cook for 1 minute both sides and make them brown in color. I think it's hot oil, so time to look the insides guys. So soft, still juicy. There you go, guys. So tender. Wow, lovely color. Looks yum. So this is now my tempura chicken tender breast, guys. Looks like a pancake, and let's give a try. And I have a dipping sauce with a chili sauce. Yum. The inside is so tender. Here, this part so crispy. Nice. Yum. Another version cooking way of chicken nuggets, guys. I never use breadcrumbs and egg whites here. So just as that I'm used. So I end my video recipe here, guys. So hope you like this video again today, and I just write down under the description box below the full recipe, and hope you enjoy to watch, and please give thumbs up, please write comment down below, and please click the subscribe button, and thank you so much for your support to this channel. This is Angie.